When you run git merge, Git is doing more than just copying code around. Under the hood, it first finds something called the merge base. The merge base is the best common ancestor commit between the branch you are on and the branch you want to merge. It represents the point where the two branches diverged. Once the base is found, Git performs a three-way merge. It compares three versions of each file: the version from the base, the version from your current branch, and the version from the branch you are merging in. If only one side changed compared to the base, Git can take that change automatically. If both sides change different parts of the file, Git can combine them without problems. But if both sides change the same lines, Git marks a conflict and asks you to resolve it. That is when you see the conflict markers with head, equals, and greater than signs inside your files. If your current branch is already behind and has no unique commits, Git can skip the three-way merge entirely. This is called a fast-forward merge. In that case, Git just moves your branch pointer forward to the tip of the other branch. No new commit is created unless you force it. When a real merge happens, Git writes a new commit object. This commit contains the merged project tree and has two parents, one from each branch. This new merge commit becomes the tip of your branch, preserving both histories. Modern Git uses the ORT strategy, which is optimized for speed and better at handling renames and tricky conflicts. Git also has helpers like rerear, which remembers how you resolved conflicts before, and can reapply the same fix automatically in the future. So in summary, Git merge works by finding the common ancestor, comparing three versions of every file, resolving changes where it can, asking you to fix conflicts when necessary, and then creating a new merge commit to record the combined history. Old commits are never edited. Git just adds new commits and moves branch references. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple breakdowns of developer tools.